It'll be just the way we do in Africa. The next song in the play will be just how we do in Africa. Feel free to come and stand up and move it down. Break it down. Or move it. Whatever you call it, just stand up and do something. That's how we do in Africa. The next one is our public. Get up and do something.
like this one? This is made in Africa and I'm proud of it. Who said white people can dance? Who said that? Who said white people can play drums? You guys said that, and that's not true. But I have a quick question for you, and I'm sure everyone is wondering about this. Can you show your hand to everyone? Just, can you? What is it made out of? This is amazing. How do you, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, my name is Kwaku Yao Angelo, from the Baule people in the center of Ivory Coast. The Baule people, their name is, they give the name of the kid the day of where they're born. So, like me, I was born on Friday, so my name is Yao. My father is born on Thursday, so his name is Kwaku. My mother was born on Friday, she's named Aya. So that's how they get the name in Ivory Coast. Now, I've been playing the drum like many international students right here knows when we start playing the drum. When we were little, when we were in the back of our parents, the dancing, we're behind them and dancing too. So it's difficult for me to tell when I start drumming or dancing because I've been doing it in the back of my mother and my father. So, and after that, I moved to the United States. 17 years later, I'm over here, play the drum, and enjoy everybody. Happy to see all international students from Africa. Thank you, and thank you to inviting me here.
Hey, let's give a big round of applause for him.
So remind us if we want to join your group, we meet on Thursdays, yeah?
Yeah, I have a class in Faith and Eureka Spring every Tuesday night, and also a class in Faith every Thursday night. Start at 5 o'clock. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much for performing for us. I think that was fabulous. What do you think?
It was a lot of fun. Okay.
All right.
So we're going to go back. We're going to have another performance from Imna. Imna from Tunisia. She has another song for us.
She's going to cool you guys down a little bit because this one was really rough. So, Imna, are you ready? She's back here.
Imna.
Performance. So we have a few new people with us. First, I'm going to tell you, as you see, I changed my clothes. This is a Tunisian dress, and we have a few more, 1 and 2. And so we're going to sing an Arabic song. It's the first time in ASO Banquet to have something Arabic, but the Arab world is part of Africa. It's actually North Africa. So I really hope you enjoy it, and I want to thank the people who are here with us who are not for the first performance. Salma from Morocco, and Adam, Senegal, and Koura from Gabon, Senegal. And not from Vietnam, sorry. Okay, we're gonna have a small exercise here, and please I want everyone to participate. I'm gonna teach you the chorus, so please try to follow me. So the first phrase is Allah. Can I hear that? Allah. Allah. Allah, Allah. Allah, Allah. Ya Baba. Allah, Allah, ya Baba. Allah, Allah, ya Baba. Allah, Allah, ya Baba. Muslim Ali, ya Baba. Allah, Allah, ya Baba. Muslim Ali, ya Baba. Sidi Mansour, ya Baba. Unji Kanzour, ya Baba. Thank you.
That was a beautiful song. Did you guys fall asleep? I hope not, because we still have more to come. And the next performance is one of my favorite African students, female. She's going to break the stage, I guess. Her name is Aissatou, and she's from Senegal. And she has a solo, something really special. And I hope you guys enjoy it.
Catch the music. Swear to God, every time we step out of the yard, we feel. Yeah, me. Alone, I beat them from out of my left, from my hygiene. Yeah, me. You really call me up, down the back of the bed. Yeah, me, whether you're cheap or not. Just kill me clothes and butter. Kill me car and butter. Just me shoes and butter. In the house and butter. Them show love, come and fly like a dove. Just kill me for that butter. Kill me care and butter. Just me shoes and butter. In the house and butter. You're my fresh way butter. Let's give you that. Let's give you that.
are both from Ghana.
From Ghana.
They are not crazy, okay? They are just normal like you and me. Just wanted to let you guys know.
What's that all about?
The song is a party song, yeah? So the song there, if you have we know that you dance, that's for dance.
So here it is, people. First time ever I play Facility. You can hear first time right now. It's my man singing drum licks.
Oh yeah. New hit, new kid. Everybody put your hands in the air and move to the left like this. Everybody put your hands in the air and move to the right like this. Let's go. Left, right, then left, then right, then left, then right, then left, then right. Let's go. Hey, yeah, hey, you said it. Hey, hey, ladies, hey, you said it. Hey, you said it.
Hey!
I told you they are not crazy. It just happened. That's how it happened in Africa.
Hey, if you are in the fashion show, it's going to go on stage, that's stage right, yeah?
Yeah, we
Get over here on the...
stage left, I guess.
Sure. It's going to go across here. So we have one more dance and then the fashion show. Hope you have had a wonderful time. We have a freedom dance now.
Yeah, we have a freedom dance. As the song says, you know, it's just a freedom dance. Okay. So again, the fashion show is going to start from the left side of the podium all the way to the right side. You guys would like to know about the different African communities. As you guys know, we have a lot of countries in Africa, and they are going to, you know, produce like a nice fashion show with a lot of beautiful color, beautiful dresses, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Yes.
But before that, we're going to have
a dance.
All right. Do you want to dance?
We'll talk about it later.